Codeine, it was a number almost in 2019. So.
When the number is younger?
In 17 to 18 maybe.
Junkies, that's what they call people like Lloyd. Lloyd Banda is 19 years old. He has been taking a cough syrup brand that gets him high. He has been taking it for 3 years now and is addicted to it. He is part of a bigger problem, the rampant abuse of drugs in Zambia, including cough syrup.
I say diluted mongani because mixed in a drink. Ngara mongani mungwara chevi ya wambo kora slow.
Communities like this one are grappling with a problem where a lot of young people are abusing a drug that is meant to be a prescription drug, and they're using it for recreation.
While Lloyd is from a lower income household, other young people his age from higher earning homes are doing the same. This young man, whom we'll call Justin, is a student at one of the leading universities in Lusaka. He has been taking this cough syrup to get high too.
I think the main reason why I take it is not because I'm facing any problems or anything bad is happening in my life, and I just do it for leisure. When I used to take it consistently, to be honest, it was an issue of whereby if I have money, I'm most definitely gonna buy it.
What's baffling is, according to the set standards, this drug should only be accessed when prescribed by a health expert. That is not the case.
Codeine in Lusaka City is so easy to access. Like right now, I could go outside, go to the pharmacy, come back with a bottle of codeine.
When you walk into a pharmacy, what do you say?
You told them you're looking for bend and codeine.
And they won't ask any questions?
They won't ask any questions.
They won't ask for a prescription?
They won't ask for a prescription.
What Justin doesn't know is that this is about to change. Government has suspended the importation of this cough syrup, Codeine.
The authority has decided at the moment to halt the importation of this product in this country until at the moment when it is stabilized, or if further decisions may be taken, this product may be banned from the market.
To verify these pronouncements, we checked several pharmacies around Lusaka, and all of them claimed to have run out. The black market, however, still seems to stock it, and this should be law enforcement's next stop. Dingindaba Jonah Buyoya, Diamond TV.